Today I'll be talking about the Eco Farm, which is an intelligent hydroponic system with a control panel, 4 planting levels, a germination level, and a water tank. The water tank has a capacity of 40 liters, which makes maintenance rare and occasional. One hardly needs to refill the water tank, as the high capacity can ensure that the vegetables will be able to grow for a few weeks. The germination level is meant for seeds to be placed so that there's a fast germination rate. As it has 6 LED lights compared to the 4 planting levels, it has a brighter light source. The 4 planting levels each have 18 positions, which means that there's 72 total planting positions. Each level can be used for a different variety of vegetables, depending on whichever you want to grow at. After germination of the plants, maybe about a height of 2 to 3 inches, they can be transplanted to the different planting levels. To control the light for the first level, one only needs to press the light on off button, the down button, and the go button. This will dim the lights for the first level. This can also be done for the next few levels by pressing the same button twice, which will put it to the second level, the down button, and the go button again. Turning the lights back on is as easy as one will just press the same button, press the up button, and press go. Now will be the light timer, which can set when the light will switch on and off. To change it, we just need to press this button, which can set when the light will switch on and off. So now, for a quick change, we just need to hold the button and the timings will go down rapidly. To set the timing, we just need to press go. Next will be the irrigation. So the water irrigation can be changed, and it has 3 modes, which is the on, off, and auto. For this certain mode, which is auto, it means that the water irrigation will be switched on for 30 minutes and switched off for 1 hour and 30 minutes. For on, it means that it will be always running, and for off means that there's no water irrigation. In order to change the timings of the water irrigation, you just need to hold the irrigation button, which means now you can set the timing. To increase the timing of the on, you just need to hold the up button, and the timings will change. To increase the timing of the off, you just do the same thing and hold the up button. It also works the other way if you want to decrease the timing. Once the preferred timing is set, you just need to press go. Eco Farm is very easy. The Eco Farm comes with black sponges with a hole inside and a planting cup. In order to plant, you just ensure that the sponge is fully submerged in water and is fully drenched, and place your seeds inside the hole. Once done, place the seeds inside the planting cup and place it into any position here. For a grown plant, you can really see that the roots will come out from the plant and into the sponge and into the reservoir of water. Level, you can already see that the glass lettuce has already well germinated. So after it's well germinated, the glass lettuce can be shifted up to the top planting level and just place there.